Welcome to the 11th lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Specification Level 2. The focus of this lesson is on the calculation of placket length for linking. We are now learning the calculation of placket length for linking, using the placket generated by the knit spec to assist in the calculation. Then go to the General Info for placket, changing the gauge of the placket to the gauge of the linking dial. This makes the linking and placket stitch count the same, ensuring that the calculated measurement matches the corresponding neckline. Then return to the knit spec. First, set the link segment as usual. Then, set the measurements accordingly. Now, let's move on to the rib setting and cast-on settings. Next, let's go to the Linking Instructions tab. Right-click on the segments to add new cast-on dial length. We can right-click in a blank area, then add Linking Diagram for reference. The linking diagram will display the linking measurements corresponding to the neckline to facilitate the linking process. Finally, let's take a look at the knit spec after adjustments. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.